Just try this 1% secret that no one talks about, but it works like magic.
In a quaint village nestled amidst rolling hills, lived a young boy named Arjun. Every day he would walk to school, crossing a serene stream by stepping over a series of stones. One morning, Arjun noticed a small pebble in his shoe. It was mildly uncomfortable, but he was running late, so he chose to ignore it. As the day progressed, the pebble's presence became more bothersome, causing him to limp slightly. By evening, his foot was sore, and he struggled on his way back home. Upon reaching, he removed his shoe to find a blister where the pebble had pressed against his skin. His grandfather, observing his discomfort, asked, "What happened, Arjun?" Arjun explained about the pebble. The wise old man smiled gently and said, "Life is much like your walk today. Small problems, if ignored, can grow into bigger pains. It's always better to address them early." From that day on, Arjun made it a habit to pause and address even the smallest discomforts, understanding that timely attention prevents greater troubles. Ignoring minor issues can lead to significant problems. It's essential to address challenges, no matter how small, before they escalate. Comment below. Have you ever ignored a small problem that grew bigger later? We'd love to hear your story. Thank you for watching. If this story touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring tales. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a moment of motivation. Until next time, remember, sometimes it's the smallest things that teach us the biggest lessons.